Guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here, which I have done using this new eyeshadow palette. This is a palette from an Indian makeup company. I will be letting you guys know about that in the video. Today's look is a blue purpley smoky eye, which I have done, which you can wear for parties, wedding seasons and events like that. So if you guys are interested to see how I've got this look, then please continue watching. Okay guys, let's get started. So I have zoomed you in a little bit closer so that you can see the eye look more clearly. I have also done my base makeup, so foundation, concealer, powder, all on. I have also done my brows and I have also done a little bit of bronzing. The highlighter, blush and the lipstick I will do later. Let's quickly jump onto the eye look. So for the eye look, I'm using this palette. This is all I need eyeshadow palette, and it's from a brand called Tann Beauty or Tann Beauty. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this, but this has been started by an Indian makeup artist. Her name is Shruti Bhatt. She has a very popular Instagram page where she does a lot of beautiful makeup looks. So I was really interested when I saw this, that an Indian makeup artist has launched an eyeshadow palette. I definitely wanted to try it, and once I saw the palette, it was so beautiful. The Instagram page of this brand is also really beautiful. They have showcased and presented the palette very nicely, so I was very interested to try this palette. So when I was in India, I ordered it and here it is in front of me. So today we are going to use this palette to create an eye look. I have a vision in mind. I want to see how that looks and how the look will turn out. I'm not really sure how it will. So let's get started. I'm going to do a blue purple eye look, and I will also do a review video on this palette where you will see probably another look. So let's get started. First of all, I will take this black shade right here. Now this is a very interesting black shade. It's not a matte black or nor it's a shimmer. It's somewhere in between. It feels like a very intense shimmery black, but there is not much shimmer to it. I don't know if I'm making any sense. So for this you need a very stiff brush. So I'm taking an angled brush, and what I will do is I'll take this black shade. It's quite dense and it's very pigmented. You have to be very careful, and it's not very easy to pick this black up with a brush, like a fluffy brush. So I'm taking a, what is this? It's an angled brush. It's a e.l.f. small angle brush, and I want to do like a liner, and then we will go ahead with the look. So basically I'm depositing the black near my outer V. Now as I said, this is not the black is not very easy to pick up with a fluffy brush, so that's why I'm doing like this. I will blend this out with a fluffy brush. So this one is a Weishi brush. By the way, I've also applied a little bit of primer on the eyes. I have applied the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. It's a very intense black. Almost feels like a metallic black. Now I will take a little bit of this deep, which shade? This shade. This is a very interesting shade. It's a plummy brown, and just blend out the black a little bit. This shade is also very pigmented, as you can see. Now with another clean fluffier brush, I'll try to blend this color out just to diffuse the look a little bit. Now taking this brown, and I just want to create a soft transition. I'll not go too up. I'll just hover around here. Now that black shade is a little bit difficult to blend because it's a different formula altogether, but I wanted a black to be incorporated into the look, so I just used it. You need a stiffer brush to blend it out and work with it. But it's really rich, and you can actually use it for lining your eyes. Okay, I think I'm looking a little bit crazy, but we will make it work. Now taking the brown shade again, this one, I'll go down. Trying to blend the black into the brown, then blend it out. Soften the edges so that it doesn't look harsh. I haven't noticed a lot of fallout with the matte shade, so that's great. Next, what I'm going to do is take this purple shade. I will use my fingers because that's the best way to apply this kind of shimmers. And I will layer it on top of the black. So that's why I didn't really bother too much blending the black here, because I was going to apply the purple. And this purple, we will just keep it towards the outer V, blending the purple into the black. Okay, now we are going to move into the blue, this blue right here. Again, taking the blue with the fingers. Here is the shade. Look at that, it's so beautiful. The blue and the purple, really pretty. And I'm going to blend the blue a little bit into the purple and just concentrate it near the lower lash line. I'll not take it too much up also. Just blend into the purple a little bit and concentrate the color near the lash line. And the shadows are just really nicely pigmented, these blues and the purples. So you don't really have to do much, just use your fingers and blend the shadows out. Okay, now as you can see, I have a little bit of area left here. I haven't applied that blue shade because there I want to apply this blue. Now this blue is like a very sparkly iridescent blue. It is a blue purple, I would say. It has like flecks of chunks of glitters, which looks really pretty. So that is what I'm going to focus in the inner portion. So I will take it again with my fingers. That I'm going to focus in the inner. I hope you can see that it has slight bit of sparkle and glitter to it. Ah, it's just so beautiful. I love it. It has the prettiest sparkle. Really nice. Okay, now just to bring this whole look together, I will take this light brown beige sort of a color and I'll just blend out the edges a little bit so that it doesn't look too harsh. Now that's the beauty of this palette. It has like every possible neutral color you would need, so that's great. In fact, this color which I just applied, as you can see, it's so nicely pigmented, and I have been wearing it just by itself on a day-to-day basis. It's such a beautiful color, like it has a really nice undertone, and on an everyday basis also it looks really nice. I want to intensify the black a little bit more, so taking it on a pointy brush and just near the lash line, just to intensify the black. And I also want to apply it in the lower lash line, but only in the outer thirds. I will take that deep purpley berry shade, just adding a little bit near the purple shade. Yeah, I think I'm quite happy. I want to apply one more shade in my inner corner, and that will be this shade. It's like a icy bluish pink. It's like an icy pinky blue. It is just super pretty. So taking a tiny itty bitty tiny brush. This is Zoeva 238. So this will go in the inner corners, top and bottom as well. Okay guys, I think I'm pretty happy with what I have right now. I have a little bit of fallout, so I will clean that up. I will also do my second eye and then I'll be right. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is how the look turned out. I was actually going to apply some false lashes, but I applied this mascara, the Milani highly rated mascara, and look at the lengthening and the definition which I've got. I'm really liking this mascara these days. So I think I'm going to skip on the lashes. I just leave it like that with the mascara. Now let's move on and do the blush. I had already applied the bronzer. Okay, so I'm going to mix two blushes actually. So I'm going to use these two blushes. One is a sleek blush, in the shade Sahara, and the other one is a elegant pink blush. Oh, okay, let's just first apply this blush first. So it's a very nice warm deep peach blush, and this is one of my favorite blushes. I used to wear it so much. Nowadays I don't mention it too much, and I'm not really sure if you get this blush anymore, but it's a very natural deep peach color. It looks nice like this only, but I think this look needs a little bit of pink, so I will apply just a touch of that LA Girl blush. Don't take too much because that blush is highly pigmented, so just a touch of that blush. Definitely need highlighter. Okay, I'm going to use my new Melt Cosmetics highlighter. I had bought this in November before I went to India. This is how this one looks like. It's the Genesis highlighter. This is how it looks like with the imprint on it, and it's like a peachy golden pink sort of a highlight. Lightly take a little bit on my brush. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous, and it's not like highly intense at one go. It melts with the skin. And for lipstick, we definitely have to go nude. I think we need to go nude with a little bit of berry. So I will be using two lipsticks. This is the Natasha Denona lipstick in the shade Naya. It was there in my disappointing products list, but later I was able to mix it up with another shade and make it work. So I'm going to use this lipstick along with the Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick in the shade Lady Boss. I love it, but it's a bit too grungy for me. I need a little bit of color, so I will apply the Lady Boss. Okay guys, so here is the finished look for today. Blue purpley smoky eye with the All I Need Is eyeshadow palette. Do let me know how you like this look. I personally love this look. The blue purple shift with that little duochrome flip in the inner corner. I think I'm all about it. I will definitely be using this palette. Other than that, I really hope that this video was helpful and you got some ideas. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.